This video will show you how to star an email in your Google account. First, open your Google-based email and scroll to the emails that you would like to highlight and star for a quicker retrieval. Once you have determined the email you want to star, hover over the unfilled star icon. Please note, there are 3 levels of stars that you can choose to identify emails by content. Click once on the star for the initial level. You can scroll to a second email and click twice for the next star level. If there is a third email that you would like to save, to scroll back faster, you can scroll to that email, click 3 times on the star icon, and a final star level will be displayed. To view the emails that you have starred, go to the star menu, open the window, and all 3 starred emails will be readily available for your quick review. Thank you for watching.